Today, the web is a definitive ruler. World more than a mammoth trade of information unfolds on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, on the off chance that the information source isn't real or the information isn't put away fittingly, the whole world could come to a disaster. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in perspective on account of the appearance of blockchain that a huge number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be tackled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony, consolidating the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain. Chiliz' special stage furnishes clients with the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits by mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the esports and gaming areas. Before we dive into the Chiliz cost forecast, let us check out a portion of the one-of-a-kind elements of Chiliz. Chiliz specialized examination. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the most exorbitant cost acceleration to $0. Be that as it may, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the place of $0 of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that occurred in 2020 is connected to the declaration made by the Chiliz venture to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a minor recuperation. Be that as it may, the exhibition of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 5 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front, alongside volume. Starting from the start of WAC 2021, the cost of Chiliz has reflected huge development, denoting another unsurpassed high at the 89 cents mark. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the token confronted a slight revision. However, later, it held the 40 cents cost level. The CHZ cost denoted a monstrous convention and contacted 75 cents in April. However, later, it rectified to the 21 cents mark. Then, at that point, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again stirred things up around town mark. However, later, it confronted a sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways, exchanging till the finish of October. From that point forward, it denoted a huge recuperation, and in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged or reached somewhere in the range of 29 cents and 9 cents with a negative strain. In any case, in the wake of hitting 10 cents the last December, Chiliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and presently, it exchanges around 11 cents. We demand you do your own exploration proposing projected greatest cost, estimated value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for CHZ cost expectation. Yearly Chiliz value forecast 2023 to 2030. CHZ will be the market pick and decision of gaming financial backers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for an extremely long period. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of unwavering quality implanted in this money. The pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. Defeating all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is said to hold a benchmark for its exhibition later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in light of the most recent fresh insight about computerized coins. At the hour of composing this specialized examination and Chiliz crypto cost forecast, the cost of the CHZ token was 11 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ as $33,003,656 and the market cap of Chiliz was $797,893,114 with a circling supply of 6,718,673,450 CHZ. CHZ coin cost forecast proposes that Chiliz could convey great returns by acquiring a sought-after position among computerized coins in the following couple of years. All the more significantly, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Chiliz has not soared on the trade, ascending to brilliance. One unmistakable reality that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz is staying put, increment, and fill in the market in full blossom according to our Chiliz cost expectations. Chiliz value expectation 2023. As of late, Chiliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As per our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chiliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over, Chiliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 11 cents. What's more, the CHZ cost is equipped for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chiliz crypto value expectation 2024 CHZ forecast for 2024 predicts that the most extreme cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents. Separately, The most probable Chiliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents in view of our Chiliz crypto cost expectation. Chiliz value forecast 2025 as per CHZ cost expectation 2025. In a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to get a move on with other digital forms of money to plainly show up at least cost of 29 cents and a greatest cost of 42 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ conjecture depicts a stunning hopefulness anticipated for the CHZ cost, for the most part because of its predictable exhibition throughout the long term. Chiliz coin value expectation 2026 violating all impediments more than 2026 would doubtlessly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz expectation, supported by powerful savvy gets, the most extreme value level of CHZ crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents individually. Chiliz expectation 2027 the street ahead is brimming with petals according to the CHZ cost gauge. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling point of the most extreme cost of 62 cents. In examination, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents. Separately, CHZ value expectation 2028 out of 2028. The CHZ token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chiliz cost expectation demonstrates that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chiliz gauge 2029 thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital money market. Chiliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to insist serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chiliz's cost may handily cross a greatest cost of 82 cents, as indicated by our CHZ coin cost expectation 2029. Chiliz value forecast 2030 in view of our CHZ cost expectation 2030. The normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a likely low of 73 cents and a possible high of $1.05. The Chiliz cost changes in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unpredictable or have high gamble. Chiliz cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 16 cents in 2023. According to cost expectation discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 19 cents with the typical figure cost of 17 cents. CHZ's cost will take off since there is still confidence that the cash will draw in significantly more consideration. The year 2023 can end with a typical cost of 17 cents and a base value worth of 16 cents. The greatest cost is supposed to exchange around 19 cents. A drawn-out increment isn't normal in view of wallet financial backer Chiliz conjecture. The CHZ cost expectation during the current year is 1 cent. CHZ can be a terrible, high-risk one-year venture choice as your ongoing speculation might be downgraded from now on. Showing up on the biggest blockchain scene, Chiliz was authoritatively sent off in 2019. Despite the fact that the seeds of thought for a socially empowered stage were planted in 2016 currently in the name